Straight from the dealership to the shop. This customer brought his 2026 F-250 because he can't be seen in a stock truck. So on this truck, we installed Icon's 2.5-inch diameter coilover leveling system up front, their adjustable track bar, their dual steering stabilizer kit, and their fabricated radius arms. Out back, we installed a set of their 2.5-inch diameter shocks to help that ride quality match back to front. This suspension system allowed us to fit a set of 37-inch Toyo AT3 tires wrapped around a set of Icon compression wheels. We also added some lighting and some SDHQ Built bits. We've got our SDHQ Built A-pillar mounts with some Baja Designs LP4s, and our SDHQ Built blinders to keep that glare off the hood. Down low, you're gonna see a Baja Designs fog light kit. A couple other SDHQ Built goodies on this truck are gonna include our Billet ABS guards and our rear lower shock guards. Last but not least is gonna be our headlight level sensor brackets to keep all the lights off the dash. If you also can't be seen in a stock truck, make sure to hit us up. Help@sdhqoffroad.com. Like always, appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.